Alright, so we're going to bake bacon. I've made a little bit of a bowl out of the aluminum foil so that when all the grease and stuff comes down, it's not getting all over the pan. But yeah, I'm just going to lay the bacon out as much as possible. There's might be a couple pieces of bacon I put on top of it, but I've got the oven set for 375. We're going to go for there. Alright, so I'm going to stick it in here in the oven, 375 for about 10 minutes, and then look at it. Alright, so it's been 10 minutes, 375. I'm going to take and flip them around and hopefully have enough space to put this guy. Alright, so I'm actually going to bump it up to 400 degrees and then stick in there for another 10 minutes. So yeah, left it in there a couple minutes longer. Just however you want it cooked. Definitely wouldn't do much less than this, but obviously if you want it crispier, then go a couple minutes longer. Maybe you start off at 400 degrees instead of 375 and do 10 and 10. But yeah, if you like it, subscribe.